How to use chatbot feature to improve customer interaction and user experience. As technology advances, businesses are constantly looking for new ways to improve customer interactions and experiences. One tool that has gained popularity in recent years is the chatbot. Chatbots are computer programs designed to simulate conversation with human users, and they can be used for a variety of purposes, including customer service, sales, and marketing. In this article, we'll explore how businesses can use chatbots to improve customer interactions and experiences, and we'll provide some tips on how to effectively implement chatbots in your business. The benefits of chatbots. One of the main benefits of chatbots is that they can provide instant support to customers. Unlike human customer service representatives, chatbots are available 24/7, which means that customers can get help at any time of the day or night. This can be particularly beneficial for businesses that operate in multiple time zones or have customers in different parts of the world. Chatbots can also help businesses save time and money. By automating certain customer service tasks, businesses can reduce the workload on their human representatives, which can free them up to focus on more complex issues. Additionally, chatbots can handle multiple customer inquiries simultaneously, which can help reduce wait times and improve overall efficiency. Another benefit of chatbots is that they can provide a more personalized experience for customers. By using machine learning algorithms, chatbots can analyze customer data and provide tailored recommendations and solutions. This can help businesses build stronger relationships with their customers and increase customer satisfaction. Tips for implementing chatbots. While chatbots can be a powerful tool for improving customer interactions and experiences, there are a few things to keep in mind when implementing them in your business. First, it's important to choose the right platform and technology for your chatbot. There are many different chatbot platforms available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some platforms are designed for specific industries, such as healthcare or finance, while others are more general purpose. Additionally, some platforms require more technical expertise than others, so it's important to choose a platform that matches your business's needs and capabilities. Second, it's important to train your chatbot effectively. Chatbots rely on natural language processing, NLP, to understand and respond to customer inquiries, so it's important to provide your chatbot with a large dataset of customer interactions to learn from. Additionally, it's important to continually monitor and update your chatbot's training data to ensure that it is providing accurate and helpful responses. Third, it's important to set clear expectations for your chatbot. While chatbots can handle many customer inquiries, there will inevitably be some inquiries that are too complex for the chatbot to handle. It's important to clearly communicate to your customers what types of inquiries the chatbot can and cannot handle, and to provide alternative channels for customers to get help with more complex issues. Finally, it's important to continually monitor and evaluate the performance of your chatbot. By analyzing customer interactions and feedback, you can identify areas where your chatbot is performing well and areas where it needs improvement. Additionally, by regularly updating and improving your chatbot, you can ensure that it continues to provide value to your business and your customers. In addition to the tips mentioned above, there are a few other things to keep in mind when implementing chatbots in your business. One important